Yep.
Give me just a cup with one, please.
Sure thing. Thanks for coming up. Hi, how you going? Good. What can we get for you today?
Can I please get a cappuccino and a piccolo?
Sure thing. Thank you, sir. You're welcome. Coming up.
How are you going? Good.
Good, how you doing?
Good. What have we got today?
Alright, could I please have one cappuccino,
Yep.
one flat white,
Yep.
and one oat cap if that's okay, please?
Yep. Sure thing.
Wonderful, thank you very much.
Coming up.
I get a small strong cappuccino and a small oat latte, please. And one baby chino, please.
Double shot latte, 1.5. You're welcome. Sure.
I won't have lid on
Hi,
mine.
what can we get for you?
No lid? No lid?
No lid for this one. Busy. He's always where there's beer.